Today we'll be making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients you will need. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup of chopped walnuts, 1 egg, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1.5 cups of white sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. First, make sure you chopped all your walnuts. Now cream together your butter and your sugar. This is what it should look like when it's creamed. Now beat in 1 egg. This is what it should look like with the egg. Now add your canned pumpkin and the vanilla extract. This is what it should look like with the pumpkin and the vanilla. Now add with your flour, your salt, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, your baking powder, and your baking soda. Now stir them together. This is what it should look like. Now gradually add your flour mixture. Once it's all combined, this is what it should look like. Now fold in your chocolate and the walnuts. This is what the dough should come out to look like. Now place the dough into the oven for 15 minutes. This is what the finished product should look like. I hope you enjoy these cookies and hopefully you make them.